So, I mean, the oral cavity is like just the mouth area. And it looks like in the book of the cat, the hard palate is anterior to the soft palate, but it's just like on the roof of the mouth, then the tongue. And then the pharynx, we also can't really visualize, but it'll be like in this general region, I'd assume. Then the epiglottis is the cartilage that covers up the trachea to prevent food from getting in it. Then if you look here, this is going to be, the esophagus is more dorsal, so that's this hole right here. And then the trachea is this hard round one there. And you can see the trachea going down here, the cartilage. Yeah. And then, so then the esophagus leads down, and you get to the stomach. But I can do the lungs since that's kind of next. So these are the lungs, and you have the anterior, medial, and posterior lungs. So there's the three lobes, and only on the right there's an accessory lobe that's underneath.
It's really small.
Really, really small, but it's like in there. And then on the left you have the anterior, medial, and posterior. So there's three lobes on the left and four on the right. And then you have the diaphragm, which separates the thoracic cavity from the peritoneal cavity. And then this, not sure, judging by the diagram, it's the falciform ligament, but Ben said it might be the coronary ligament, so check that, I guess, later. And then we get to the liver, and you have the left lateral lobe, which is this one, and then left medial, and then you have right medial, and the caudate lobe is this one, and then the quadrate lobe is this small one that's underneath all the other ones. And then the mesentery that connects right here is the lesser mentum, that white tissue there. And this is the stomach here, and this mesentery that's kind of attached to the stomach here is the omental bursa, and I guess normally it like covers all of the intestines and the stomach. So this is the stomach, and then the body is like the main area of the stomach, and then you have the greater curvature on this end, and the lesser curvature, I believe, is on just the smaller side. The pylorus sphincter is going to be right between the stomach and the duodenum, so that'll be in this area. It's hard to see, but it's normally pretty skinny, I believe. And then we have the duodenum, and then the jejunum is somewhere around here. He said we probably wouldn't be tested on it because it's hard to find. And then you have the ileum.